Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Center of mass questions look scary, but this one is quick. Track equal masses and external forces, and the right two statements pop out fast. Since parts A and B have equal mass, the center of mass for a two-piece system sits exactly halfway between them at every instant, so statement A is automatically true. Because friction is negligible on the horizontal surface, there is essentially no external horizontal force on the system, so the center of mass keeps moving in the original direction. That also kills the trap choices. Faster motion does not pull the center of mass closer, and added kinetic energy does not set its speed. Well done! Options A and C. Scan now. Don't rush signs. Trust the given facts and check each step before choosing.